జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. బట్ ఐ వుడ్ నాట్ టచ్ అదర్ దెన్ రామ ఎనీ వన్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఎర్త్ ఈవెన్ విత్ మై ఫీట్. రాఘవాత్ అన్యం పదాపి పురుషం స్పృశే. లక్ష్మణ, రిమెంబర్ దిస్ ఫ్యాక్ట్. ఐ వుడ్ నాట్ టచ్ ఎనీ వన్ విత్ మై feet also. Like this, Sitamma saying to Lakshmana. Sitamma accusing Lakshmana. Sitamma started crying a lot because Sitamma has so much of worry. Panibhyam rudati dukkhat udaram prajaghanacha. She started hitting her own stomach with her own hands and crying a lot loudly. When Sitamma is crying that much, Lakshmana Swami trying to console, pacify Sitamma. But Sitamma thinking that Lakshmana is simply wasting time, pretending that he is consoling me, he is delaying more and more, he is not going to Rama at all. Like that again Sitamma started thinking very negatively about Lakshmana, and she did not talk to Lakshmana, she did not respond to Lakshmana at all. Then Lakshmana has no other option. He is now doing namaskaram, abhivadya namaskaram to Sitamma, krutanjalihi. He folded his hands and did namaskaram to Sitamma, and then from there Lakshmana started towards Rama. Lakshmana is unable to leave Sitamma alone there. Lakshmana's heart is pounding. Anvikshamano bahusascha maithilim. He is looking back to Sitamma again and again. He was unable to move from there, but he has to go. He is now walking towards Rama while looking at Sitamma back again and again. Finally he left from there by leaving Sitamma alone in that dense, dreadful forest. Jagama Ramasya Samipam Atmavan. Like that, while crying, while worrying, while having his heart pounding, Lakshmana finally left Sitamma alone and left to Rama. Now Sitamma is by herself alone. Now it is an opportunity to Ravanasura. Immediately Ravana Dasagrivaha Kshipram Parivrajakarupadhrut. Ravanasura has assumed a form of sannyasi. Abhichakrama Vaidehim. Ravana is coming towards Sitamma. The one who is very powerful, Dasagriva, who has 10 heads, Ravanasura, wearing kashaya vastram, sannyasi cloths, and he is tying his sikha, the hair. He is holding one umbrella. He is now wearing his padukas. Then he is also holding kamandalam on his left shoulder. With all that, now Ravana coming to Sitamma. Rahitam Chandra Suryabhyam. When Surya and Chandra is not present, that time Sandhya Samayam will be there. But that Sandhya Samayam also will be covered by dense darkness. Like that, when Surya Chandra like Rama Lakshmana is not there, Sandhya Samayam like Sitamma is going to be covered, going to be captivated, going to be abducted by dark, dense darkness like Ravana. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.